The term antelope is used to refer to many species of even-toed ruminant which are indigenous to various regions in Africa and Eurasia. Antelope comprise a wastebasket taxon within the family Bovidae, encompassing all Old World ruminants that are not bovines, sheep, goats, deer, or giraffes. Antelope comprise a wastebasket taxon within the family Bovidae, encompassing all Old World ruminants that are not bovines, sheep, goats, deer, or giraffes. While one New World species, the pronghorn of North America, is sometimes colloquially referred to as the American antelope, it is in fact not a true antelope. The 91 antelope species, most of which are native to Africa, occur in about 30 genera. The classification of tribes or subfamilies within Bovidae is still a matter of debate, with several alternative systems proposed. Antelope are not a cladistic or taxonomically defined group. The term is used to describe all members of the family Bovidae that do not fall under the category of sheep, cattle, or goats. Usually, all species of the Alcelaphinae, Antilopinae, Hippotraginae, Reduncinae, Cephalophinae, many Bovinae, the gray reebok, and the impala are called antelope.